How to fix Xfinity status code 580. Start by checking your internet connection to ensure it's stable and working properly. Restart your modem and router by unplugging them from the power source, waiting for at least 30 seconds and then plugging them back in. Verify that all cables connected to your modem and routers are securely plugged in. Check for any service outage or maintenance notification on the Xfinity website. Visit the Xfinity Status Center online to see if there are any reported issues in your area. Ensure that your Xfinity account is in good standing. Ensure that your device software and firmware are up to date by checking for updates in the settings menu. If the issue persists, try accessing the content on a new device. Disable any VPN or proxy services that may be interfering your connection. Contact Xfinity customer support for further assistance if the problem continues. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.